How to open an elevated PowerShell admin prompt in Windows 10. Since 2006, Microsoft has been bundling the PowerShell command line shell that administrators can use to manage the computers and other computers on a network. Windows PowerShell is a Windows command line shell designed especially for system administrators. Windows PowerShell includes an interactive prompt and a scripting environment that can be used independently or in combination, Microsoft explains. Many PowerShell commands, though, require elevated or administrator permissions, and you need to launch an elevated PowerShell prompt to execute them. This guide will provide two methods that you can use to launch an elevated PowerShell administrator prompt. When you right-click on the Windows 10 Start menu, a context menu will appear that allows you to launch frequent administrative programs quickly. Windows 10 will now display a UAC prompt asking if you want to give the program elevated permissions. Click Yes at this prompt. An elevated PowerShell prompt will now open. You can tell it is elevated as the starting directory will be C Windows, System 32 and the window title will be Administrator, Windows PowerShell. When done using the prompt, you can close it by clicking on the X or by typing Exit, and then pressing Enter. If you have an elevated command prompt already open, you can launch a PowerShell shell within it by simply typing PowerShell and pressing Enter. When launched in this way, the PowerShell prompt will look slightly different as the background will not be blue, and it is running as a shell under the regular command prompt. One of the features of the Windows 10 Start menu is a built-in Bing search when a local search fails to find anything. Whether it be due to privacy reasons, bugs, or just personal dislike, this article will explain how to disable Bing search in the Start menu. The web is made up of terrific content from all over the world, and sometimes the content you want to read is written in a different language. Thankfully, Google Chrome has built-in support for the Google Translate service, which will automatically translate the page into a language of your choice. Windows 7 hides certain files so that they are not able to be seen when you exploring the files on your computer. The files it hides are typically Windows 7 system files that, if tampered with, could cause problems with the proper operation of the computer. It is possible, though, for a user or piece of software to make a file hidden by enabling the hidden attribute in a particular file, or by default Windows hides certain files from being seen with Windows Explorer or My Computer. This is done to protect these files, which are usually system files, from accidentally being modified or deleted by the user. Unfortunately, viruses, spyware, and hijackers often hide their files in this way, making it hard to find them and then delete them. VMDR Vulnerability Management. Detection and response, discover, assess, prioritize, and patch critical vulnerabilities in real time and across your global hybrid IT landscape, all from a single solution. Text source, bleepingcomputer.com.